Hello and welcome to Made by Monica. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today is Money Monday. So we are going to go through Dave Ramsey's 34 ways to make some extra money in 2022. Who doesn't need extra money? All right, you guys, we're going to go through 34 ways to earn some extra cash. And the first ways are going to be from home. So if you're looking for something to do from home, you can tutor online. Yep, tutor.com, TutorMe, Study Pool, things like that. They will pay you to tutor some people online. And the second way is to become a user experience tester. And so companies like User Testing will pay you for your feedback. So yeah, if you like to look at websites and things like that, you can do that and make some extra cash. Okay, the next way is to take some surveys. And looks like My Points or Survey Junkie will pay you, for your opinion to go take some surveys, make some extra cash. Number 4 is to get cash back from apps. So you go to some mobile apps like Shopkick or Receipt Hog, and you just scan your receipts in and you can make some cash back from apps. Number 5 is to teach English. And so there are tutoring sites that will pay you to teach English. Pretty cool. Number 6 is to get paid for your creative skills. So you can go to Fiverr and it will connect freelancers to people who pay you to do that. So yeah, go try that one out. Number 7, offer your services as a virtual assistant. You can work from home and check out sites like Upwork and Zirtual, and they will pay you to be a virtual assistant. Pretty cool. Number 8 is to become an influencer. So you can start like a YouTube channel, or there are other platforms like Facebook and Instagram that will pay you to be an influencer. So get people to follow you and you can get paid. Number 9 is to become a social media manager. There are a ton of companies out there right now that need a social media platform, and you can manage theirs from your house. Yeah, pretty cool. And then ways to make money on the side. Number 10 is to get paid for your photos. So if you are a shutterbug and you like to take pictures, there you go. You can get paid for your pictures. Yeah. Number 11 is to drive for Uber or Lyft, and we all know that that makes some pretty good money. So if you like driving around anyway, yeah, just go drive some people someplace and get paid for it. Number 12, become a food delivery driver. So there you go. You can drive for like Uber Eats, Grubhub, Postmates, something like that, and you can go get some food for people, bring it right to their door, and you get paid for that. And I think on those you can work your own hours too. So that's pretty cool. Number 13 would be to join a focus group. So check in your local area to see if you can find a focus group in your area. And there are also some online focus groups. So you can get paid for your opinion. Pretty cool. Deliver groceries. So number 14, if you like to grocery shop and you want to spend other people's money, there you go. Go get some groceries and you just take them to people and they pay you. Number 15 is to take up babysitting. Yeah, it kind of seems like a teenager job, but it's really not. There are so many people that are looking for babysitters for their kiddos. So go to care.com and you can babysit. And number 16 is going to be to start pet sitting. So if you like animals and you can walk dogs, feed hamsters, things like that, do help out when people are on vacation or something. That's a great way to make money. Number 17 is advertise your car. Yep. Rapify will pay you to put someone else's business on your car. And then you just drive it around and get paid for it. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah. So if you don't care what's on the outside of your car, go get it wrapped. 18, do tasks for people. So you're out and about anyway, and you can run errands for them or do a quick fix job, something like that. TaskRabbit will get you hooked up with that. Number 19 is going to be deliver for Amazon. So yep, Amazon is huge. Everyone's ordering from Amazon. They're always looking for drivers. I'm not quite sure if you can do your own hours on that one, but you probably could. So check out being an Amazon delivery driver. Number 20, turn your commute into cash. So you're out and about anyway, and you can make some extra money by picking up, a pet or a package or something and deliver it to somebody. So yeah. Number 21 is become a photographer. So yeah, if you like to take group pictures, there you go. People will pay you to take a group picture. 22 is to take up car washing or detailing. So if you like to wash cars on the weekend or something like that, yep, people will pay you to do that. There you go. Number 23 is become a financial coach. So if you're good with math, if you're good with numbers, and you like to teach people, there you go. Help them with their money. Number 24 is going to be to start a blog. So you can start a blog through Google AdSense, and you can get paid to do that. Number 25 is going to be to start your own online business. So come up with a product, put your product online, go ahead and sell it. It's awesome. So if you want to do an online business, there you go. Make some extra cash. And then now we're going to talk about renting. So we're going to rent our homes to Airbnb or something like that. We're going to make some extra money. And then did you know you can rent out your car too? Who knew? Yeah, people will pay you to rent your car. Yeah, I think that was pretty cool. I'm not sure how all that works, but they do have liability insurance, so you don't have to worry about that. Number 28 is going to be sell your old phones and electronics. So if you got an old phone sitting around, you got an old computer, iPad, something like that, yeah, Swappa or Gazelle, they'll pay you for your old electronics. And then if you have any old movies or music, something like that you're not watching anymore or listening to, you can get rid of those too. So go to Declutter, and they will help you out selling that stuff. Also, did you know you can rent out your baby gear? Yep. So if you've got, high chairs and baby jumpers, something like that in the garage, go to Baby Quip, and they will help you rent out your baby gear. Also, you can sell your unwanted stuff. So yes, go through your attic, your closets, your garage, and go ahead and have a garage sale. Yep, get rid of all that stuff, make some extra cash. Also, you can sell your kids' clothes. It looks like Kidizen is the app to do that with, and you can sell your kids' unwanted or outgrown clothes. Also, you can, 33 is to sell those unused gift cards. So if you got a gift card for Christmas, not really going to use it, yeah, go to Raise, and they will help you sell your gift card. And number 34 is to rent your belongings. So if you have an extra lawnmower or something like that, yeah, people will rent that from you. So there are 34 ways for us to make some extra cash in 2022. Thank you, Dave Ramsey. Thank you, guys. Love you so much. I'll see you in the next video.